Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to try to prove the well-known formula, which is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now, just assume that we have a line which length is a, right? On that line, take one point and then just mark this length as b. So what will be the length of this section? It will be surely a minus b, because from a we are taking out this section. Okay, now let's draw one square with having the sides length equal to a. So the total thing will be a here. Okay, same will goes here, same will go here. Okay, so total is my a. And then in the next phase, let's draw one square with each side a minus b. So that can be done, right? So this is my second square, and then this length is a minus b. Okay, and then whole is my a, so this will be b for sure, this length, and we can extend this and we'll get this is also b. Also we know this is b, so we just extend this one, so this will also be my b. So this length is b, this length will also be b, and this length will also be b, right? Okay, now what will be the area of this section? So area of this will be surely AB, because one side is A, another side is B, so just multiply this and we name this section maybe section 1, right? S1. Area of S1 is AB. Okay, now what will be the area of this section? We need to find out, but before that let's check this small square. So what will be the area of this square? All the sides are B, so it will be surely our second side, maybe second square, which we write, it will be my S2 will be equal to B square, right? Now we want to find out area of this section. Now if we include this total thing, then the total area will be, we say it's S3, the total area will be my AB, right? Because one side is B, see this side is B and total side is A, so we can write it AB, but we need the area of only this section. So just write S4, S4 will be AB minus B square, because we are taking out this section, right? Let me just color it with another color. So this section we are taking out from the whole section to find out the area of this section. Okay, so S4 is this area, and then this S1 is my total this area. Maybe we can change the color. So this total area is my S1. Okay, now what will be the area of this section? This is sure, we know a minus b whole square. Now that will also be equal to, if I find out the area of this total square and we somehow minus this section. Okay, let me just make it bright. So this section we are taking out from the area of total area, then we'll again get my this square, that means a minus b whole square. So now that's fine. So total area was a square, right? And from a square we have to take out this S1 and this S4, right? Because S1 is this section and S4 is this section. So minus S1, that is AB, and again we have to subtract S4. So S4 is AB minus B square, right? Now let's solve this. A square minus AB plus B square, because this minus minus will become plus here. So it will be A square minus 2AB plus B square, and we have actually proved our formula, right? Which is A square minus B square is equal to A square, sorry, A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, thank you for listening, and if you like this type of videos, you can subscribe our channel, and also you can go back to our previous videos. You can, if you like, you can learn something. Thank you.